Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I'm going to discuss about the structure of chromosome. As we know that from the words chromosome, that chromosome is composed of two words: chrom mean color and soma mean body. Why it is called chromosome? This is the reason. The reason behind this is because it observe die more and die first. Observe die more first. That's why it is called chromosome. Chromosome was discovered by Walter Fleming, and the word chromosome was coined by that Walter. This is about the chromosomes. Now, basically, the main topic now we have to discuss here it is the structure of chromosomes. So, first of all, we know that we have to know about chromatid. Chromatid. What is chromatid? Look at here. Everyone know that there is always two arms. There is always two arms of what chromosome. So these two arms of chromosomes, is called what? These two arms of chromosome is called chromatid. This is, for example, this is the one chromatid, and this is the another chromatid. Chromatid is what? Chromatid is two arms of chromosome. Two arms of chromosome is called what? Chromatid. I have drawn here clearly. Look at this. Now it might be clear if we draw here. Look at here. This is the structure of what? Chromatid. These two are the arms. The single arm is called chromatid, and if they combine together, it is called chromosome. As you know here, there is a membrane. What? Membrane. The membrane about the chromatids or the membrane around the chromosome is called pellicle. What? Pellicle. So pellicle is the membrane around chromosome. Membrane around chromosome is called pellicle. Membrane around chromosome is called pellicle. Now, as you noticed here, look at this. These two arms attach at a point. These two arms attach at a point here. They attach. This point is called centromere. What? Centromere. So the third here we have is centromere. Centromere is the point where two chromatids attach to each other, is centromere. Clear? Now, in some chromosome, come here down. For example, this is one chromosome. This is, for example, chromosome. These are chromatids. This is centromere. We have already discussed. In some chromosome, there attach a secondary point. There attach a second point. For example, there is a point. This second point is called secondary construction. What? Secondary construction. This point is called what? Secondary construction. This point is called what? Secondary construction. The third fourth we have come is secondary construction. Now, let's move forward. As we know, here here come a secondary construction. This is a point, this is the secondary construction, CS. So now the point which is formed after secondary construction is called what? Satellite. Must be remembered here that satellite is the point or the place which is formed after secondary construction. So there is a satellite. Satellite is the point which is formed after secondary construction. Now here is a specific DNA. Here is a specific DNA in the satellite. This DNA is called junk DNA. Junk DNA is the DNA present in what? Present in satellite. Junk DNA. Now look at here. As we know, for example, this is the whole structure of chromosome. This is the whole structure of chromosome. There is a centromere, but at the end there is some nucleotides attached. For example, look at here. This is here, and here. These ends are called telomere. 7 must remember it. Telomere is some nucleotides, non-nucleotides, which is known, I will also write it, that nucleotides are thymine, and adenine, guanine, and guanine. These nucleotides, sequence of these nucleotides at the end of each chromosome, here it is called telomere. This telomere. What is the function of telomere? Function of telomere is to prevent it from reattachment. To prevent it from reattachment. This is the overall structure of chromosome. Hope you will get it properly. Thank you.